Have you ever imagined working out amidst breathtaking waterfalls? Welcome to the Serene Waterfall Fitness Retreat, where participants merge tranquil fitness with the mesmerizing sounds of cascading waters. Here, individuals partake in unique yoga and Tai Chi classes on riverbanks, utilizing natural rock formations as workout platforms. Nutrition sessions focus on enhancing well-being with seasonal produce, incorporating fresh ingredients into easy recipes designed for health and vitality. The retreat offers a profound connection with nature, promoting physical health and mental tranquility in a harmonious environment.